I woke this morning and much to my dismay, the snow's been falling, it's been coming down since yesterday. And I remember sharing lips with her. The coming weeks were to be a blur, 'cause time with her is like no other. She can make a winter's day feel like the summer, and it's so, so nice to have her alone. 'Cause you know I made her leave her mobile phone at home. The clock's ticking but I don't mind, because there's no one else I'd rather share my time. And I've no idea where that day gone went, yet I know that it's time well spent. And I've no idea where that day gone went, yet I know that it's time well spent. So I sing la-uh. Let me take you out, I asked her. Then that week couldn't go any faster. I picked her up but barely, 'cause London roads really do scare this country boy. 'Cause I was in the right place at the right time. That day we spent together, there's nowhere else I'd have put myself, or to share the day with anyone else. Right place, right time. And I wish I knew everything there is to know about you. And I want you to see just exactly what you mean to me. And you think you know me, yeah. I guarantee there's a lot more to see. And you don't believe it's true, that if I'm dreaming, then I'm dreaming of you. And I wish that I could hold your hand, feet beneath the sand. I wish that I could drive you in my car, to kiss you understand. I will find an answer. I will take my chance to fly away. Yeah, I'll fly away. Just one of these I will find an answer. One of these I will take my chance to fly away. Yeah, I'll fly away. Just one of these la, la. aim for something else, tell me what would I do? And if I had a strange conversation with a lady in a waiting room about leaving all this doom and gloom, if you could be anywhere, where would you be? If you could be anywhere, would you be there with me? If I could be anywhere, I'd be there. If I could be anywhere, I'll be there with you, girl. Take my chances, fake my glances, wake those answers anywhere but take my chances. I'll fake my glances, wake my answers anywhere but here.
Cause the time is almost here. Never has it ever been so clear. So you better rise up.
Who are you?
Never go down.
I'm Edward, the other roommate.
One by one.
I go outside to try and start my car. 3 hours later, haven't got very far because the window's frosted over and I still can't see. I fall into a dream and I wish that I could be in Hawaii, and kicking back is where